Morning, you guys. It's me, and we are in Puerto Rico. You can't see it.
Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science.
We're in Puerto Rico. Today we are going to go on an excursion, and it's history behind the walls. And we'll be walking around and learning about the history of San Juan. So I hope you guys enjoy because it's fun. I hope you guys enjoy because it's so fun. Listen, last night was a whole mood. We went to a really cool scavenger hunt. It was adult. It was like really sexy. Ooh. And then after that we had the after party that was inside of the club, and we was Jocelyn, you ain't need to tell on me like that. But you guys, I really hope you enjoy today. I know I will, because like, who wouldn't enjoy a nice little walk in San Juan? Jersey girls are in Puerto Rico. We in Puerto Rico, Rico. We in Puerto Rico. We in Puerto Rico, Rico. Yeah, they give you this little map. Jocelyn's gonna be in charge of it because I'm terrible. Jocelyn, we are really in Puerto Rico.
So excited.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to go shopping, so.
Okay.
Microphone as such. But guys, the first capital was placed at the other side of the bay. In this corner you can see the other side. The first capital was placed at the other side of the bay. In 1519, they relocated the capital to this side. Why they changed the capital? Well, very simple. In the first capital, they were near the river, so they have fresh water. But guess what? They have to travel with the merchandise to the river, and from the river to the bay, where all business was going on. So a better option, business-wise, was the small island.
This is really amazing. Like, the architecture is just to die for. But we have tours. Our tour guide, Miss Ada, she is coming. And this woman moves fast, y'all. She moves quick.
I want to show you guys what we're basically looking at. Sorry. See how amazing this looks? It's so, everything was built by hand. It's so amazing. The architecture is like so innovative and like well thought out. Like, I can't take in how amazing this is, especially like before when we got up here, just walking up here, the architecture is amazing. Miss Ada was giving us so much information about, like, you know, the history behind Old San Juan, you know, why everything's built the way it is. And yeah, I really hope that if anyone is watching this vlog, that this will help you want to go to Puerto Rico as well. All right, bye, see you soon, we're leaving.
You guys, this is a chapel. Jocelyn, how are you liking the walking tour so far?
I'm in love, honestly. I like
Yeah. And you can see our cruise ship over there.
I like the fact that it's not boring. Because I'm not really a historical person.
Yeah.
But like, I like that it's not boring. And it's like, kind of interactive in a way. Like, 'cause you
Yeah.
actually go in and see it and hear a story behind it.
And sneak touches.
Yeah. Oops.
So remember when we were at the plaza? The plaza is literally right here. Our cruise ship is here. We walked from there around. We went up. You see the colorful buildings. And we came up. I don't know why, but I just got really nervous being this close. But then remember we came up over there. And that was all of it. Like, this looks really cool. I know this bee better get away from me.
A bee?
Whatever. Yeah, I know, sir. You better get away. Is it follow me? Look at Jocelyn being all cute, taking her little photos. You got a little darker. You do. I love it. Let's see, this fly is just following. Oh, fly. Get away. I fight. Oh. I gotta run the fly. Y'all, how did this happen? How did this happen? So the tour just ended. We are going to find something to eat. We're currently at Brick House. So since I'm on my journey where I don't thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Look at this. Look at this.
I didn't know how big that was.
Some pictures. The food was really good. Wait, where's Jocelyn? Jocelyn's drunk, you guys. Yeah. She is like, look at it. Alright guys, we are walking back to the boat. I am pooped. Say it, Jocelyn.
What? The day drained me.
The walking tour was great. I just want to thank Miss Ada because she was the best.
Karaoke.